Hey YouTube, this is Teen Techie and today I'm going to show you how to save battery on your Mac. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, turn the notifications on so you can be alerted when I post new videos. The first thing you have to do is go to Activity Monitor. You can do this by going to your Launchpad and searching for it. Then after you open up, there will be several options. Click on Energy. Then you can look at the applications that are consuming the most energy. You can also see their energy impact, and you can actually force quit them directly from the application. After you've identified these applications, make sure to quit them. And if you're not using the application, make sure to also close down that application. And you can do that by pressing and holding on an application and pressing quit. But if this application is unresponsive, you can do the following. Press and hold on your Option key, click on it, and then it allows you to force quit. Something else you can do is turn off your Wi-Fi. If you're not using your Wi-Fi, I'm not sure what the use case would be, but if you're not using it, then make sure to turn it off. It takes a significant amount of energy. So you can either do this by going to the Wi-Fi icon on your menu toolbar and turning Wi-Fi off, or you can go to System Preferences and then go to Network and turn Wi-Fi off. Something else you can do is if you do not have any Bluetooth devices connected and you're not using your Bluetooth, make sure to turn that off as well. And again, you can either go to your menu toolbar and turn Bluetooth off like that, or you can go to System Preferences, select Bluetooth, and turn it off from there. Something else you can do is turn off your backlit keyboard, and if you don't know how to do that, make sure to check out my video where I outline exactly how to turn off your backlit keyboard. Something else you can do, which is a quick and easy fix, is lower your screen brightness. You can do this by pressing on the F1 button. This will dim your computer screen. And the last thing you can do is go to your Energy Saver preferences. You can do this by clicking on System Preferences, then you can go to Energy Saver. Boxes that you want to check are the put hard drives to sleep when possible and the slightly dim the display while on battery power, because these will reduce your battery consumption. Something else you can do is decrease the amount of time that after there's a period of inactivity, it shuts the display off. So you can do that by clicking on your slider and then sliding it to the left. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, turn the notifications on so you're alerted. And you can comment in the comment section below if you have any inquiries me to respond to in future videos. Thanks for watching.